Well, Saturday I went to the museum, the South Carolina State Museum, and for the Accessibility Day morning, and this one place. Let's see if I can turn it upside down. Upside down. This place had a table at the event, at the not event, but at the museum, and they gave out these. They're fidget toy things, and you pull this apart, and you put it back together. I don't want to put it apart. Well, maybe I do. You pull it apart like that, and then you put it back together. I can't do this with one hand. Maybe I can, but I don't know. I don't feel like doing it. So yeah, this is a fidget device, and I can't read through it. Maybe if I could just. But you put it back together. Okay. Anyway, here it is. It's another fidget device.